Welcome back, everybody. Today I'll be doing a light fixture of butterflies and gems. So these gems I bought from Hobby Lobby, they're actually beads. They're not just like the regular gems that you can purchase at the Dollar Tree. They have holes in them, which is great for this kind of project. I believe it cost $8.99 for the pack, but I used a 40% off, and this is just regular fish string. This was also purchased at Hobby Lobby. It's a ribbon string with glitter. I will be making the butterflies with this. So what I do with this is I just fold it back and forth a bunch of times. Then I take a little piece of wire that I have, or what I was doing is I was taking the wire out of the wired ribbon and I was tying it around. See right here how you can pull it right out very easily, especially if you don't have wire laying around. Now I'm just separating the ribbon and I'm trying to pull it straight to turn it into like a little butterfly. I'm sure there's lots of other ways that you can do this. If you have any ideas, please comment below. Okay, so I lost a little bit of video of showing you guys how I took the diamonds, beads, and I tied them around the fish string. Sorry, I could not remember what it's called. I also did this with the butterflies. I just tied the string around the butterflies and then added, I don't know, about 2-3 inches up a diamond bead to all of them. This is a Dollar Tree light. It does not come with batteries, so make sure you buy AAA batteries. It takes 3 of them. The mirror is also from the Dollar Tree. And underneath is just plain old cardboard I bought from the Dollar Tree. I just cut a circle and used it. I'm just making little holes where I'm going to hang the strings of the wraps that I made. Here I'm just trying to get an idea of how long I would like each strand to be. They actually, in the middle, when I did the cutouts for each one of them, they are even. I do go back and I do fix it to make them all even. And then I go from really long to small all the way around all of them. Hot glue will work for this. Here I'm gluing the mirror that I bought from the Dollar Tree down to the cardboard. I really wish that I did not glue this and I painted this before I put this together because it was so much harder and took so much longer to do in the end. Now this is the part where I let the strings go long to the smaller all the way around. I think I did it 2 times all the way around from big to little. Now here's the big mistake that I made. The glitter and the Mod Podge, I can't even talk today, I apologize. I mixed it together. That is a great idea to do. It saves time, but I wish that I did this before I added anything. Okay, so I put the Mod Podge in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag overnight while this dried. It's a great idea if you want to save money on Mod Podge and glue mix. I'm sorry, not glue mix. Mod Podge and glitter mix. This is my favorite window cleaner, glass cleaner, the best ever. This does have an adhesive strip on it. I don't use it. I don't feel like it will last that long. I do use hot glue and E6000. This I am making to last. These stickers, gems, come from the Dollar Tree too. You do not have to do this. You do not have to add these afterwards. I did it already to try to add in the black mirror. That should not have been black at all, but it all came together really well. This here is wire, a wire ribbon I bought from Hobby Lobby. I think it's like $8 or $9 for the whole yard of it. I'm just slowly gluing it with hot glue all the way around. This stuff is pretty sharp. You will cut yourself. Please be careful if you do buy this stuff. But you can use this on anything. On furniture, there's holes for the fabric, nails. There's so many different things you can do with this one. Now the plate is from the Dollar Tree too. I just insert all the work that I just did right into the plate. You would never be able to tell that that was a plate unless you shop at the dollar store and you make crafts. I did let this sit overnight with all the display dishes on my table. You have to put something heavy over it for the E6000 to hold well. This is how it turned out. I am so obsessed with this. I keep looking at it, going back, looking at it. If you guys like it, please comment, subscribe, and like the video. Thank you so much.